Let's do this. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to become a social media influencer. What is a social media influencer? A social media influencer is someone who has a large following on social media and uses their platform to promote products, services, or ideas. Influencers can be anyone from celebrities to everyday people who have built up a large following by sharing interesting and engaging content. Why do you want to be a social media influencer? There are many reasons why you might want to become a social media influencer. Maybe you want to use your platform to promote a cause you're passionate about. Maybe you want to make money from your social media presence. Or maybe you just want to share your life with the world and connect with other people who share your interests. How to become a social media influencer? There are a few things you can do to increase your chances of becoming a social media influencer. Choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Choose a niche that you're interested in and that you can share with others. Create high-quality content. Your content should be interesting, engaging, and visually appealing. If you're not sure how to create high-quality content, there are plenty of resources available online to help you. Be consistent. Post new content on a regular basis. The more consistent you are, the more likely people are to follow you. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions, and participate in conversations. The more you engage with your audience, the more likely they are to stay engaged with you. Be patient. It takes time to build a large following on social media. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Just keep creating great content and engaging with your audience, and eventually you'll start to see your following grow. Conclusion. So, those are a few tips on how to become a social media influencer. If you're passionate about something and you're willing to put in the work, then you can definitely achieve your goal of becoming an influencer. Outro. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.